Hello everyone. So in this lecture, I'll be doing some bug fixes that have been left behind from the last two videos. Okay. So in the last lecture, before ending the video, the lecture, we did we manipulated this minimum and maximum time, right? To 5 seconds and 8 seconds simultaneously, and it seems like that bug has been fixed with those timers in place. Like I don't see any issues with them anymore. As you can see, like they are it seems to be working fine over there, but still I would like to actually implement a failsafe over here. Okay, and also before I do that, I want to show you the bugs that we have at the moment. So one of them being let one of them attack me. So if this guy is coming to attack me, right, I attack him and then I can still counter him. So which should not be the case, right? So but still is. So we'll go ahead and fix that issue. Okay. So yeah, before fixing that issue, let's go ahead and add in an extra check over here. So before we are checking if under attack, what we should do is get the owner. Okay, get component by class, and this will be the ffcc, and from here I'll get the current enemy. Okay, now I'll check if this is valid or not. Okay, I'll also do a is valid from here with the ffcc. I don't want this bug out. So if it is not valid, if it is valid, we'll go from there to there. If it is not valid, we'll skip this whole current enemy check, right? So over here I'll do a print string for debugging purposes. Last enemy not cleared yet. Okay, now this will be in yellow. So let's go ahead and play. Now this might cause an issue, but I'll come to that in a while. Okay, we'll do one fix at a time. Okay, so this guy is coming to attack me. I will counter him. There we go. Countered. It's fine. Okay, everything seems good over here. So we'll move to the next issue. Okay, that was once I attack, I shouldn't be able to counter it, right? So in the enemy component, we have the play hit montage, okay, and the play counter damage. So in the hit montage, so if I'm hitting him, right, and the hit registers, then he should not be set as the counter, set as that attack player anymore, right? So this should be set as false, right? And also we need to get the behavior tree and say that he is no longer in the attack state as well, right? So I'll get the blackboard, set value as enum, and I'll collapse this to a function. Set AI state to random. Okay. Now I'll make literal name. This one will be AI state. I don't remember if I'm calling it state or state, so I'll just go ahead and check. It's just AI state. I'll still copy this one, paste it. Okay, there we go. Now this is byte, so AI state to, actually I want this the other way around, right? This is, I'll make array. Sorry, my bad. Make array, random array, and then put it over here. Now make sure this one is AI state enum. Okay, and obviously you'll understand that it's AI state by looking at this as well. Get in range, usually get back, wait, or look for weapons or strafe. Okay, so any of the following can be set. Okay, and same thing over here. As soon as that tag has been done, this is how it should be. Okay, so let's go ahead and see. Now I attack him, then can I counter? I can still counter. So what that means is I also need a function to actually reset. Reset counter enemy in player. So again, this will be similar from here. I will set value as object. Also, I'm not doing is valid check, so I'll just do that in a bit. Okay, and this one was target space actor, and this one will be sorry, my bad. This will be get blackboard value as an object. Okay, and obviously we need is valid checks. Is valid, I'll do the utility one because I need to do it for both of these. So and boolean, and then do a branch. Again, yeah, make sure this is there is a space over here, target actor, or if you have it as one word, it's fine. Just copy paste it from here, okay, in the memory if you're not so sure about it. I'll do a print string. Target retrieve failed. Okay, and then what we should do is pass to character, and from here I can get component by class. If FCC is valid, so from here set counter enemy to be null pointer. Okay, now this should be fine, should be. So I'll put it over here, same thing. compile, play. Actor retrieve failed. Now attack him. I can no longer counter him. I countered the other one who was trying to attack me. This guy comes in. I can no longer counter him, which is good. Now someone else is coming. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I can no longer counter him, which is good. This is good as well. Okay, guys. Let's see. None trying to read. Okay, and this one would be from I think this would be from here. Not here, sorry. It's still trying to go into this location, right? Play counter damage. Okay. Okay, so I can't actually have it over here. So how about I have it over here itself on blend out, okay, for the counter damage itself. Okay, so let's go ahead and play. Because I cannot attack when I'm countering, right? So it doesn't matter, like I have to finish my counter first as is. So I can only attack after that, right? Same thing over here, I cannot attack. Okay, so there's a bug over there. See, I couldn't counter him. So yeah, as soon as I was attacking, yeah, I couldn't counter him because we have to do a check over here that is not over here in the this is fine play counter, but this over here, because we don't want him to directly reset counter enemy, because I might not be damaging the counter enemy itself, right? I might be damaging some other guy and the counter gets reset as well over here, so which is not a good thing. So obviously, like, we need to actually check if get attack player. Should I do it? Get attack player? No, sorry. This is an enemy component, right? Okay, so I'll also make a function. I'll make another function. Okay, so this one over here. Okay, I need the whole thing actually. Yep, I need the whole thing. So get current enemy and get counter enemy. If they are same, do this as a return node. Okay, so I'll collapse this to a function. check counter, check current and counter enemies. Okay, now this can't be pure because I'm doing his value checks over here. Also there's a cast over here. Okay, so add return node. Obviously this will return false if this component it's not valid. Okay, so this looks correct. Now if it is true, only then do this, right? So let's do that once again. I attack this guy and I can still counter the other one, which is correct. Yeah, I can still counter. Yeah, okay, so there's fine and no errors, which is great for us. What else? Also, yeah, one more thing that I want to do is in the behavior tree itself, we have this set AI state, and over here I want to get the AI states over here. Get blackboard value as enum. Now this returns as a byte, so as AI state, sorry, AI AI state byte to AI state. Okay, there we go. If this is not equal to attack, sorry, if it is not equal to attack only, then go ahead otherwise finish execute. Okay, and let's go ahead and check that as well, making sure that this does not break. I cannot counter that guy, which is great, and this guy keeps on attacking me, which isn't good at all because he did not get out of because it just keeps on trying to play this one, right? So in the enemy component, okay, I also need to check if get attack player is set to true or not. If it is, let's go ahead and check. Attack him and he goes into another state, which is good. Not the same thing. Great. Attack him, I cannot counter. Okay, counter, which is great. Okay, so if he actually successfully hit me, he just keeps on hitting me. Okay, then again, need to be here. Play montage, reset. We have the enemy component, so good for us. We need two functions, that is reset counter enemy in player and set AI state to random. Okay, reset counter enemy, and also this success should be true. And set counter enemy in player. And right, that's why set AI state to random. My bad, guys. And let's go ahead and do that. Let him attack me. There we go. He punched me and he goes back. Perfect. Encountered him. Okay, let one of this guy punch me actually. And then I try to counter, it doesn't actually counter, which is good. There we go. Perfect. Okay, yeah. Last moment counters are not allowed. Perfect. I'm trying to do last minute counters to see if that one breaks it as is, but it doesn't seem to be, so which is good. So I think that's it for this lecture, guys. Okay, so nothing seems to be breaking, which is great news for us, guys. So in the next lecture, I will probably start on something new. And as always, if you want to support me and the work that I'm doing, you can subscribe to my Patreon. It starts from just $1 a month. Okay, and also there are different tiers based on the needs of different people. Okay, so do check it out once. Thank you.